Oh no, Jake lost his remote. What are we going to do? Let's build a universal IR remote.
That sounds like so much fun.
Hey Dr. Lau, this is group 9. This is our universal IR transmitter using the Raspberry Pi 3. The device can send any signal that the target device needs. It's configured using the LIRC module. So LIRC stands for Linux Infrared Remote Control. We used Python to transfer or to test the transmitter and receiver, and we used JavaScript to power the web element. So we have a GUI here that can communicate with the device without any hardware. So here's the power button, here's all the pretty buttons. You see that this projector is off. You see that there's no wires connecting the projector to this breadboard or anything here. Now clicking the power button, we can see this red light turn into a green light, and the projector is turned on. And that's the power of our universal IR transmitter using the Raspberry Pi 3.
Hey guys, I found the remote.